welcome to Techie Param, and today we are going to learn about how to create a chatbot using DialogFlow and Excel sheet. So I have opened the DialogFlow website on the Chrome. I have also signed in. Now you have to click on this arrow, click on the create new agent, and my agent name will be COVID-19 FAQ create. So I have created an agent like a chatbot where chatbot's name will be COVID-19 FAQ. So in today's video, the chatbot's name will be COVID-19 FAQ. This chatbot will help users and people to know about what is COVID-19. They will frequently asked questions will be there like what is COVID-19, how the COVID-19 symptoms work, how the COVID-19 virus works in our body, what are the symptoms, what are the precautions, what should I do if I get COVID-19? Here are the some frequently asked questions that I got from Google. Oh yeah, here it is our chatbot saved. Now again, you have to click on the settings button which is besides the arrow, main menu arrow. Here you can change your chatbot name, add some description, and you can also delete your agent. For now, I have will click on this switch and enable the beta features and APIs. Then I will again click on save. After every step, after every click in DialogFlow, first of all click on the save button so you don't lose your content and data. So I have saved the. Then I will open the Excel, Microsoft Excel, or you can also use the online apps like Google Excel sheets now. Here we will use two columns, column A and column B. In column A, you will type all the questions like what is COVID, frequently asked questions, which you will get on Google easily. You have to just type what are the COVID-19 FAQs, and you will get all the frequently asked questions asked by the users and the people. So, what is COVID? Here are some frequently asked questions. What is COVID-19? What are the symptoms? What happens? See who is most at risk of severe illness and all. So in column A you will have all the frequently asked questions, and in column B you have the answers like what is COVID-19. Here I have asked sure. Beside the question the answer will be there like what is COVID-19. So COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2, and again that's it. So you can get all the things from the Google like copy paste thing. After creating this file, you have to click Control A. In Control A, home, and here you will find that everything is same. The font style, font size, no color, everything. So here you will see that everything like font style, font size, everything is same in the whole document. No color, no styles, nothing like this. Neutral, bad colors and all. Plain, normal, font style Calibri, size is 11, perfect. Not that like the questions are Calibri font and answers are in the bold and Calibri. Nothing bold, nothing italic, nothing underlined. Simple as that. Calibri, 11 and nothing, no color, only simple black. After that, you have to save it on the desktop, like save as and all, you know that. I have saved it in the desktop first only. Then you have to convert that file. So I will show you a website where it gets easily converted. You have to. This is the convertio.co. You have to choose your file here. So you have to choose the file. That my file is the Google Excel and the Microsoft Excel sheets extension is .xlsx. But in the DialogFlow, only two forms and the extensions are used like HTML, text slash HTML or CSV. So for changing that to CSV, I will first select my document COVID-19 FAQ, open that, and then click search CSV. Here is the CSV, and you have to just click on the convert. After clicking on the convert, after a few seconds, your download option will be there. When you click on the download button, a file will be downloaded. Your COVID-19 FAQ XLSX file document will be downloaded with the extension of COVID-19 FAQ.csv. I have already downloaded that file and stored in my desktop, so I don't want to download it again. I have told you the steps, you can follow the same. After that, you have to again come to the DialogFlow screen, go to the knowledge beta section, click on the create knowledge base button, which is at the top right corner. Knowledge base name will be uh, COVID COVID-19 FAQs, and click on save. So here notification comes that knowledge base has been saved. Click on OK. Then you have to click on this create the first one. Yes. Your drop down menu or pop up menu comes out. Enter your document name. Anything you can. I will type COVID-19 FAQs. Knowledge type is frequently asked questions FAQs. MIME type is CSV, and upload file. If you have file on cloud storage or some, uh, if you are selecting MIME type as HTML, then you have a URL or something. You can just add that. I have a CSV file, so I have it on my computer, so I will use the computer. If you have on cloud storage, you can use the cloud storage option also. Now I have here it is COVID-19 FAQ. It is a CSV file. Here you will see the extension as .csv, which is CSV. Switch converted properly. Create. So it's working. If there is any problem with your format, like it is not a CSV file, it is some other file or some other extension file like XLSX or some Word document or like, so it will not work, and pop-up menu with a notification will be here. That nothing. So here our document is created. Click on OK, then click on add response, and again then click on save. Here you can see that your document has been there. Acknowledge by user FAQ, MIME type is CSV, file uploaded. Here you have to see that they have mentioned that file is uploaded. If by any mistake there are some technical error or glitch, your file is not uploaded, so please take it again. If you want to upload a new document, click on this button plus new document and the same steps. Click on again save. Knowledge base has been saved. Okay. Now here, this is the prototype of your prototype or a demo of your chatbot, COVID-19 chatbot. Here you can ask and for checking that the chatbot is perfect and it's working or not. Chatbot is COVID-19. The first question. Here, so the default response comes. In the prototype, this all will come, that intent, action, sentiment, and all. But in the professional, the perfect or the confirmed or the complete chatbot that I will show you afterward, in that this intent and all will not come, only this much. The answer will only come that COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2. So here you can ask the questions. Now for integrating in the website, for web You can use go to the integration section, scroll down to web demo. So enable it, and then if you are integrating it in your websites and of brackets and all, so you can copy the whole thing, the iframe one. But I want to only check it on Google, so I will copy paste the link that is here in the source section. Just copy it, close, open a new tab in Google, and paste it again. Yes, so the heading comes, the title comes COVID-19 FAQ. So here is the text box. I will type what is COVID-19 virus. So here is my first question to the chatbot. So here the answer comes. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new coronavirus. You can also use the voice mic option. So here is our chatbot. Subscribe me for more amazing videos and like this video. Forget wait for some time and you will get amazing videos with elegant formations. In my further videos I will be showing you how to integrate your chatbots in the website, how to create my HTML websites using brackets and code pen and all. Thank you for now. Have a good day.